Scritch, scritch. A busy line was on the garden path. Louie stepped outside. He tilted his head. What was making that path so busy? He knelt down. Closer. A long, tiny line of legs marched along the ground. Each small creature carried something. Oh, what was it on their backs? It was a crumb. Another crumb. So many busy crumbs moved together. Louie watched them weave and bob. He followed their busy parade. His eyes went wide with wonder. Oh! A big, brown leaf lay right across their way. The tiny parade stopped all at once. They just couldn't get past. Louie knew what to do next. He had an idea. He used one gentle finger. He carefully nudged the leaf aside. The path was clear. The tiny workers kept going. A bright glow spread inside Louie. He watched them disappear into the green grass. His whole body went quiet. And everything felt exactly right.